Namaste and hello. So, Miracle of Mind, how miraculously it works on your very mental health issues is completely unprecedented. It is there as an application, not as a professional that you are thinking to go, because right now, the way you're living your life, any which ways you're living in that way that you will completely have a serious breakdown in the coming years. Probably you have it right now. And then you have a pill to pop or a professional to go to who himself is popping pills to keep his balance intact. But that is the problem. So therefore, you have to understand that installing and using Miracle of Mind application for you, for your all your family members, for everybody around you is mandatory, because we are in the current age of information. We are in the age of information where information is bombarded at us, and we are in the pursuit of pleasure. We are consuming and consuming and consuming more reels, more data, more materials on the subtle level of information and the physical level as well. But every act of in this pursuit of pleasure will make us more and more entangled from within, more and more hollow from within you will become, and more restless will become as the day progresses. Because this consumption patterns of consuming more and more content, material, will end any which ways will enlarge the inner hollowness, the inner restlessness that you have always had in you. But now in this age of information and data consumption, it would be magnanimous. Therefore, don't wait for the worst time to come. Install Miracle of Mind application and see how it works. Don't use it for 1 day or 2 days or 1 week. You use this application for 90 days. Trust me, it is not an application just to sit and meditate. It will do something else as well, because it's working on some other scale that is beyond your logical mindset. It's beyond your logics. It's working in a way. It's sort of a, what do I say? It's a consecrated platform. It's consecrated in a way with the way it's been designed, the way the music has been designed over there. It's made in that way to make sure that you actually get benefits out of it. When you distance your own false psychological constructs that you call as I, it's just been created from outer conditioning. Whatever you think of yourself, just look at a child is born with no labels, but all these labels that's been given to you, you internalize those labels and become something else that you're not, and you live in that psychological drama that you have yourself created, and now it creates havoc for you, causing every possible thing where you will end up consuming more data, more reels, more videos, and more content, more material, and everything that will not fulfill you, because you're living and seeing this life through the lens of this false psychological construct that you call as your personality, because you don't know how to distance away from this personality. All you have learned is to live this personality and die with it. But you have to understand Miracle of Mind application will help you to distance away from this false psychological construct that is required for survival, but it will not take you anywhere. It will only entangle you more and from within, and will make you any which ways go to a professional psychiatrist, psychologist who himself is popping pills to keep his mental balance in place. So therefore, don't seek for a professional in the end, because they are keeping their mental balance in a way intact with only pills, sleeping pills. Because that is all psychiatrists have. When you have no physical element in your brain and you have only messed up your psyche, which is a psychological drama, which is obviously we share a common drama in this world. But that is fine. But when the drama becomes so real in your eye, which is not existential, merely psychological crap, there the problem begins. So therefore, install Miracle of Mind application, see how wonderful it works for you to distance your character in this drama that you created, which is just a psychological crap. It does not even exist, and it will take you to the existential truth. You distance your false psychological construct, your persona, which you call personality. You will see whatever the truth is deep down your very being will flourish and will come onto the surface. And thereby, the 7 minutes of Miracle of Mind application, you will thank me as to what have you done. When you keep doing it after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you will see that how it's working for you. Then you cannot stop, because now then you will understand how to create pleasure, how to create a happiness state without any external consumption patterns that you're stuck in, without any entertainment. How you can create the same level of pleasure, bliss, joy, sitting with your eyes closed, and still it's working wonders for you. So therefore, understand that you need to install Miracle of Mind application. Do it for now and see how wonderfully it works for you. Share this message with your peers whom you think that they need serious help with their psychological breakdown that you're facing, stress, anxiety, whatever they call it. But still, all these labels you can put, but all these labels are just for the psychological drama that you have created and you got stuck in, and you are the creator of this inner situation that you are stuck in, because you are the creator of this inner world, the inner persona, the character that you're playing in this play. And you have to know how to distance or destroy and dissolve this character as well. So yeah, become the Brahma. When you have become the Brahma of your inner creation, not the outer creation, the inner one, you have to become the Shiva as well. Invoke the Shiva within to destroy this false character and this false persona that you're playing. At least distance from yourself, from this false self. Thereby you can realize what the true nature of yourself is by understanding, by using Miracle of Mind application. Namaskar.